Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we've got a quick tutorial for you guys. We're going to show you a few options for compressing a PDF file. I personally run into issues where when I'm trying to send a PDF via email and the size is too large, it then has to upload as a Google Drive link and I have to send that. So I often find myself needing to compress the file size. Luckily, there are a few very easy methods to do this. But before we jump into the video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so for example's sake here, let me go ahead and pull up my File Explorer, and I went ahead and downloaded my wedding pricing PDF sheet. Now, this is a good example because it's just over the Google Drive threshold of 25 megabytes. So anything over 25 megabytes inside of Gmail will actually be uploaded as a Google Drive link, which I don't want. So my goal is to compress this to at least under 25 megabytes. Let's go ahead and explore a few options. All right, guys, so the first option is very simple. We're gonna open up Microsoft Word. Again, be sure to check those links below if you don't already have Microsoft Office. With Word open, I'm simply gonna drag that PDF inside of Word. Once in here, we can see my PDF is imported, and all I have to do is I'm gonna go to File, and I'm gonna click Save As. It may prompt you to enable editing on the PDF, so make sure that you are confident in the safety of the document before you do this. But I'm simply going to click my downloads folder. I'll just change it to compressed. Make sure to select PDF from the drop down here, and we're going to save this to my desktop here just so we can see, and I'll click save. As we can see, we have our new PDF document opened up here. Let's go ahead and look at the file size. So if I right click on here and hit properties, we went all the way down from 26 megabytes to 4.52 megabytes. Now we're actually going to show you guys a second option in case you're running into formatting or font issues, which you might inside of Word. We're going to use a free online website. The website is called smallpdf.com. Once we're here, I'm going to click compress and then choose file. We'll grab the original PDF from my downloads folder. And with the basic option selected, this is the free option. I'm going to select compress. As we can see, we got it all the way down to 2 megabytes. As we can see, we got it all the way down to 2 megabytes, and I can now press download, or I can export it as a different type of document. Let's hit download, and there we have our compressed PDF document. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have questions about compressing PDF documents or any other related questions, drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Word or other genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new and fun video topic ideas for us to cover. If you have a specific video request that you'd like to see us make, put that in the comments below, as almost all of our requests are made into actual videos. A like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.